This is Grand Teton National Park in Wyoming. If you look up over here, you'd see all of this humble jumble helter-skelter rock. This is called Skree, S-K-R-E-E, also known as Talus. I prefer the word Talus, T-A-L-U-S. And if you look at it, it's kind of conical shaped, like a cone. So we call this a talus cone. What happens is the rock up above that you can see has lots of cracks in it. At night, when there's water inside those cracks, the water will freeze, water expands when it freezes, and that causes progressive cracking in the rock, and then eventually it cracks so much that it falls down. Now, if you take a look over here, you can see across the valley, there's another one that's conical, but it's all covered in vegetation because less and less scree is coming down. And if you look down in the valley, you can see that we have a river running through there. We're in Cascade Valley, and that vegetation that grows along the river is called riparian vegetation. And riparian vegetation needs lots of water, which is the reason that it lives along the banks of the river. You can see that up along the slopes, there are these coniferous trees, these tall, thin trees. They don't need as much water. And notice that they're not mostly right down in the valley floor because they get drowned when they're sitting in all of that water. Whereas up above, they have a little bit less water and they're able to hold on.